Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for once again, and as you can see from the title, today's video is very exciting because today we are reviewing the new Urban Decay Stay Naked Weathers Foundation. I am super duper excited to try this out. The only thing I'm concerned about that this is meant to be for normal to oily skin, and I'm having dry skin, but doesn't really matter. We are still going to try it out. We are also going to try out the Stay Naked Correcting Concealer, and yeah, this is also supposed to be for 24 hours. And let's see what this foundation and the concealer is supposed to do. Okay, so the foundation is vegan, buildable, you must see that, medium coverage liquid foundation with a real skin, matte finish that lasts up to 24 hours. We will not be able to test it for 24 hours, but we will test it as much as we can. Alright, so this is medium and matte finish, and the concealer is ultra pigmented, lightweight concealer that cover hyperpigmentation and imperfection with a real skin, matte finish, and last 24 hours. This is supposed to be full coverage, so the foundation is supposed to be medium and this is supposed to be full, which is good. I'm actually so excited, you guys, because I feel like this is a foundation month. There are a lot of brand releases their new foundations. I love trying new foundations. Like, I feel like foundation is my thing, so I love to try new foundation. So excited. So this is how the packaging look like. I really love the way it look. I really like that they put a gold cap in it. It's really matches the whole thing, though this whole thing is plastic, but I don't really mind that. I just feel like they are super travel friendly, handy. If you're just going somewhere, you just can throw it in your bag and you don't have to worry about breaking it up. They're so comfortable to use, in my opinion, I mean. And yeah, it's still classy, it's still nice packaging, and they come with a pump. Pump is always appreciated. I love pumping foundation. So yeah, overall I really like the packaging, you guys. Oh, and I'm in the shade 50 NN. So let's talk about the shade, guys. This foundation, if I'm not wrong, come with 50 shade, and Malaysia just bring 25 shade. Like, this is so insane and unfair to us, because this is very hard to find a shade. I was having super hard time to find my shade, really, because I'm pretty sure I am 60 CG as I saw in Sephora US website, but they don't have it. And all the darker shade, either they're very yellowish or red undertone, olivey undertone, orange undertone, like doesn't really suit my skin tone. So what they have between those color, I feel like 50 and it's still okay. So I'm really sad about the color they brought here in Malaysia, but I didn't really wanted to wait till I order in US Sephora. This whole process take a very long time, and I was super excited, very impatient to try this out, so I just got it whatever they have. Alright guys, so without further delay, let's jump into the video. Okay, so I already moisturized my face with my moisturizer, and I'm going to prime my face with my Smashbox primerizer. I really love this primer for my dry skin. I feel like this is so much friendly to my skin, so I like it. Okay, once again, I'm in the shade 50 NN. So alright, did you see the color? This is so light, but I have no option. I'm going to take a little bit more for my forehead. And this is obviously medium coverage, like this side without foundation, this side with the foundation. I can still see some of my little bit pimples. It's not pimple, but something there I can see, and a little bit darkness under my eyes. Also here I have discoloration still always there, so obviously this is medium coverage, but we'll try to see if it's buildable because it claimed to be buildable, but we'll cover this side first. I took a little bit more and I'll be using. Right, it is buildable. It covers a little bit more, but obviously it's not full coverage. But the foundation looked nice in my skin. Did it cover everything? Not really, because as I said, it's medium coverage. It is medium. Even if it's buildable, you can't reach to full coverage with it, but it's pretty much nice actually. I really like in my dry skin as well, because I don't see any problems going on anywhere. So alright, and now we're gonna try out the concealer, and I'm in the shade 50WY. This is also lighter than my skin tone. About concealer, I'm sorry. Anyway, so about concealer, I don't really mind because I like to highlight my under eye, and I don't have super crazy dark circle that I need to conceal my under eye, not actually at least all the time. So it's okay about the shade. And yeah, let's see. Wow, it is interesting. It have a little bit curve, like, okay, it might be really nice to apply. Let's see. Okay, I am going to take a little bit because it's a ultra pigmented, so I don't want to go crazy. And blend that out. Okay, a little goes a long way. The color not so bad as well, but maybe a little bit light, I don't know. Alright, the concealer, I love the finish of the concealer. It's not creasing under my eyes, at least not yet. It is super blendable and it is full coverage but still lightweight, you know what I mean, like not thick. Even I'm not feeling so heavy under my eyes right now. It is nice. I loved it. I'll be using a little bit in my forehead, my nose, the back of my lips, my chin, this tip area because I have a little bit of discoloration and this area basically. I'm so sorry guys because of my notification bell. So just gonna blend that out. Alright guys, so I'm done with the blending process and I really liked how the concealer and the foundation blend together. And I like the foundation, I like the concealer more than the foundation. I like the foundation have a little bit more coverage, at least it cover my uneven skin tone, but still okay because it is super lightweight. Still feel like skin even with the concealer. The concealer is full coverage but it is lightweight as I told you, so yeah, it's not bad. So without the thing that I'm looking like a ghost, but I will see if I can fix it with contour, blush and all those stuff. So I'll finish rest of my face makeup and I'll come back. Hey guys, so I'm back. I just finished up my whole face makeup and yeah, everything looked pretty decent. Only one thing I'm noticing when I look up closer, I just see I just see the foundation sitting in my smile line, and it looked a little bit heavy, but I'm not complaining about it a lot because this is my problematic area and a lot of foundation do that. So without that, everything looked pretty nice. My bronzer, my blush, everything was easy to blend above the foundation, and it didn't move my underneath foundation at all, so which was also pretty nice. But we will see how it goes throughout the day. We will do our test for not 24 hours, but I will see how much I can do it. So yeah, I will see you maybe in a couple of hours. Hi guys. Hi. You must be thinking why my lighting is sucks and why I'm standing here like this. Okay, let me tell you, my situation is really bad. I'm supposed to go back to my home and do the video and update you guys how the foundation is working, but I came to my friend's home and she literally didn't let me go back to my home. So I'm stuck here, and now it's morning 5, like literally morning 5, and I'm not going back home, so I had to update you guys somehow. So this is what I have and this is what I can do for now. But let's just go to the main point, which is our foundation. And I must tell you guys, I really like the foundation. I liked it now more than before. Before I was feeling like it is going to sit in my smile line, going to give me dry patches near my nose, and it was actually doing a little bit, but as the time goes, it is now more nicer. Like I like it now more than before, which is really nice. And I just did touch up one time. I put my foundation on at 11:30 if I'm not wrong, and I did the touch up like maybe at 4:05, something like that. And now the time is 5 in the morning, so this foundation I'm wearing almost 17 hours. It's actually 17 hours, which is pretty good. It's not 24 hours, but 17 hours is not also bad. And after 17 hours, really the foundation looking so good, I must say. The only thing I want to say, this foundation is supposed to be matte, but it is actually not matte. It is like semi-matte, but because it have a little bit shine to it, you can still now see. It's not for my face oil or something like that, but it have a little bit shine from the beginning, I have noticed. So yeah, this is the only thing. So maybe I will give this foundation 80 out of 100. Yeah, 80 out of 100. So yeah, I was having a pretty good foundation day. I mean, like, yeah, pretty good. So guys, I'm again sorry for this situation that is going on right here, and I'll see you guys in my next video.